My children, I want to tell you a story about a festival that happened in the Nasarawa State University. It was called the Nasarawa Festival of Peace. And also, I want to tell you about the great drums that were used during this festival. There were so many drums used, but my main focus will be the drums of the Mada people. We have Sinji, Tanju, Kalangu, Onkba, Gangan, Titi, and so many others that were used during this festival.
Mama, were there any cultural drums played during this festival?
Yes, so many drums were played during this festival. We had the Mada drums, the Egon drums, the Gbagi drums, the Alago drums, so many ethnic groups from the Nasarawa State. But remember, I am teaching you about this Mada cultural drums. So back to my story. Sinji and Tanju are tall hourglass shaped drums that are used during burials and so many other festivals. But during the Nasarawa Festival of Peace, we used these drums to bring people together, and it symbolized peace and unity among so many ethnic groups in Nasarawa State. The event was memorable, and the drums even made it better. And guess what? This festival is even annually.
Yay, Mama, I will follow you to next Festival of Peace.
Me too.
Yay!